My question with the all those persons are involved in the sheet as a buyer and a seller, and especially to the seller team, the broker and the dealer. Why you attached prostitution deal with the weapons? Why? If you want to earn a money, you have full and flash right to say to sold out your weapons. There is no problem. But you are forcing buyer to buy girls also. Why? Why? Because you all are the criminals. And these all ladies are forced to sound themselves as a prostitute. I like to ask to Honorable, please call Haqqani Network. Why should not we punish, asked to punish by the honorables? Because you are the person who are forcing these ladies inside the prostitution work. Why? So many ladies said because we are under the under the pressure of loan was need to return by us. And Haqqani Network and the King Salman and so many others are selling us. This is reality. And Indian forces, especially SPGs, special production group departments, and other departments are silent because they are selling themselves also. I found the NSG, Sikh Regiment, and your Para SF, your Black Cats, and so many others are ready to be sold out. And even they are earning, they are eating our nation's bread and butter, and they're ready to attack on Delhi also. And why we are creating Indian army? Why? You can read the sheet. Read. A list is very long, sir. Or some ladies are saying that it is a very easy to earn money to go inside the prostitution. Would all ladies like to reply my this question? You yes or no? If you are saying yes, we are enjoying this business. Kindly, uh, uh, short them. How many you are ready to enjoy this business, and how many you are denying to be in the business of prostitution? In every court and judges and military journals and so many commissioners are silent. Is it a blunder? It's a very simple. He's a broker. He's a selling Indian weapons to Pakistan and other nation and asking them to attack on India. And we are stupids. We are paying heavy tax to government of India, and at the end of the day, our tax money is used by the Indian Prime Minister to attack on us only, sir. Now you must need to reply, Supreme Court, sir. Those all weapons were purchased in Indian Army, was sold out to NATO by our tax money, sir. What is this? Who gave right to President of India and to the Prime Minister to use Indian income tax money? Money is purchased weapon to use on Indians only? Oh, come on. Very amazing, but true. Sir, I created this company, UCOPS. I created this. Miss World Aishwarya Rai. Madam, you don't know. Yes, you are Aishwarya Rai. I'm accepting this. But, madam, you are Aishwarya Rai and Miss World because of Indian taxpayers' money. And we have a full and flesh right to object your decision to be prostitute. None ladies from the India can announce by saying this it is their own desire and individual rights to be in prostitution. Please get out from India. Be in manners. This is not the question of individual rights of any individuals. This is a question of used of income taxpayers' money. Indian was used by the Prime Minister of India and President of India was signed it. This is the case. It is not the case of what is the right of a Prime Minister of India or what is the right of a Narendra Modi and what is the right of a Draupadi Murmu. This is the reality. This is the reality. If they are using the Indian taxpayers' money in a wrong way, I must need to ask you, sir, please stop these all stupidity by the Finance Ministry of India. Thank you very much, sir. I definitely love to be continue in the argument. And the collegium must be demolished now. And we need to new collegium, sir. Thank you very much.